Oh, it's hitting Colonial Heights now.
Do what?
Oh. We're in a perfect spot
Park back in the car.
to catch this.
You want to ride? Alright.
If I die with my hand on this phone, will you upload this to YouTube?
Do what?
If I die with my hand on this phone like this, will you upload it to YouTube for me?
Yeah. No problem. I wish Stacy wasn't such a pussy. She'd come up here and have
Famous last words.
video camera up. Hit the camera button twice.
Yeah.
It don't work on this one. Just tried it.
Oh man, this is so cool. And it's right above us now. And it's sitting over there in Colonial Heights.
See, that's the thing. It's the calm before the storm, man.
Yeah, it is awful calm out here.
No wind. No, remember how windy it was before we got right over the top of that? We're in the eye.
Yeah.
Right in the eye of the hurricane. Lord, sleep right through the calm before the storm. Here I am. Rock you like a hurricane. There's too many of them bones left. Is that no shit? And the thunder rolls.
Yeah.
And the thunder rolls. And the lightning strikes. And the love goes cold on a sleepless night. As the storm blows on out of control. Deep in her heart, the thunder rolls. Are you taking pictures?
This video. I want to see how long it'll run.
What's some more storm zones?
I mean, I can't believe we're not getting rained on.
Just wait.
It won't rain.
You see the front of that right
I think chunks of ice are going to plaster us.
Like foot wide chunks of ice.
I'll have holes in my soft top.
Oh wow. You might as well just get a bucket of bricks and throw it on and get it over with. Yeah. Call your insurance company and put full coverage on your car.
I've got comprehensive.
Okay. Hey Cody. Put your dad's car in the garage. Hey, can I put a cigarette up? You know I don't want to spray.
I don't smoke, for the record.
Fit in the garage? Yeah, it would. Hell, if Becky's little thing will fit underneath there. Cody, can I put my lighter off of you? Oh, yeah. Here it comes. There you go. Smoke one of these American-made cigarettes. Oh, no free smoke. American something. They don't have any American Spirit.
Yeah.
Now, what's the difference between these and a normal cigarette?
They're organic. They don't have all the chemicals and crap in them. No ammonia.
No anthrax.
They're made by the.
Daniel might as well knock off.
They're made on the reservation.
gonna go ahead and knock off that $1,500 to price that expedition, right? Just gonna need it. There you go. I think I might get a bucket of golf balls and go ahead and dump it on my truck and go ahead and get my paint job. $500 deduction. Paint job for that.
Thanks for thinking about me. I was asking for a poncho.
Like I've got ponchos laying around.
Well, I know Tim does.
Should have asked him. They're not for thunderstorm use.
I was just thinking I was going to be driving around the back roads, but this is an awesome view.
Flying through here trying to get home. There's one dude I swear to God came through going every bit of fucking 70 miles an hour. The Camaro? Whatever. Yeah, I'm wearing my guaranteed not to fly off hat. With this strap here.
I do have one of them in my car.
For a slick bald head.
National Guard, but they get me for
That damn bald head's like a fucking lightning rod conductor. Dude, I was looking at my dad. Where you were? I was looking at my dad. And my dog, I've lost him in this here. Not that tall. Good.
Oh hell! Look at that cloud over there.
That's like
Cody, look at that cloud over there.
I'm done. Yeah, I see it. Dude, if I go bald and she don't like me, fuck her. We at least put a horseshoe. Nah, I ain't going to horseshoe. I'll just go bald. We'll do it when that one jumps, and then the next day we'll horseshoe it. The next day we'll bald it. I might go a little bit more bald than that. When I shaved my head this last time, I was...
Yeah, this is getting ready to move right by us, and the wind's gonna pick up.
Think?
Oh no, I mean, this is just gonna sweep right by us, and I bet the wind picks up.
Call from Sergeant Number 1.
But I'm gonna have it on video. It'll be on YouTube. I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet. This is the prequel. Oh, the rest stuff won't be here for a while. You gonna go play some golf?
Just golfing weather.
Yeah, this is good golfing weather here.
4!
I just want to see how much this camera will hold.
I'm still yet. Thanks.